Hello, everyone. This is Alex, and welcome to the Mathlete.org YouTube channel. We'll be talking about target problem 4 from test 12115, the February 2021 middle school test. All right, so in this problem, we let floor of x, well, I wrote the word floor, but in the test, it actually looks like this. Floor of x, that's the largest integer that's less than or equal to x. And we want the value of x such that x times the floor of x is 2020, right? Right, so by definition, right, floor of x has to be some integer. So first of all, is x an integer? Well, what values would make the expression close to 2020 is the question we're trying to answer for now, right? Well, okay, let's maybe look at perfect squares, right? Optimistically, we may want to hope that x is an integer, right? Okay, 2020 is close to, what is that, 45 squared. That's 2025, right? Okay, well, if we're looking at x greater than or equal to 45 here, we're already kind of stuck because, well, 45 squared is 2025. That's already greater than 2020. And you just end up increasing it the more you go, right? The higher up x goes. So, okay, x can't be more than 45, and it also can't be exactly 45. So, okay, what about 44? Well, that's only 44 squared. That's only 1936. So maybe it's somewhere between 44 and 45. Well, okay, if x lies between 44 and 45, including 44 but not 45, that tells us that the floor of x is going to be 44. Now, what does that have to make x? Well, it has to make it 2020 over 44, which is going to be 505 over 11. But that's actually greater than 45. So, oops, it doesn't work. Right? So we can safely rule out any positive x that's between 44 and 45. And it also doesn't work if it's less than 44. Right? So now we just have to turn to negative x. Okay, pretty similar, I guess. We can try this time. Negative 45 is less than x is less than negative 44. This time the floor of x is going to be minus 45, not minus 44. And then we'll get x equals negative 2020 over 45. So does x equal negative 2020 over 45 work? Well, that's negative 404 over 9. Wait. Yeah, negative 404 over 9. So the floor of that, well, 405 over 9 is 45, so the floor of that is going to be 45, negative 45, right? And, well, that works because we have negative 45 times negative 2020 over 45, that's going to be 2020, right? So our answer then is negative 404 over 9, and we are done.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.